My Prince Charming, you know I believe we were born knowing who will break our hearts, who will give us their hearts and where we're going. I believe we are cool rivers that know in which direction it is flowing. I've been knowing that it is you even before I met you. I've been knowing how you taste and feel like, sound and look like. I've been knowing. I can't believe you found me again. I found you, we found we. I'll be winning. You are the sweetest angel, the brightest star, which even when burning, especially when burning becomes gentler and kinder, you are always shining. You made me to fall in love with crying. I also can't believe it, but I guess it shows how much sexual healing, kidding, just healing, how much healing I've been experiencing. You are Prince Charming, you are Prince and very charming.